Magandang hapon po, Attorney Princess. One question lang po on my part. Ang House of Representatives po ba, meron pong gumugulong ba na relief operations para po sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyong Krising at Habagat po?
Yes, Speaker Martin Romualdez already activated the quick relief and response operation. He's coordinating with other members of the House that would need assistance para sa kanilang mga constituents, sa kanilang mga distrito, sa maaring naapektuhan dito sa bagyo. I understand meron ng iilan na nag sa office ni Speaker Martin, and the Speaker, as in his capacity as member of the House of Representatives, will help in assisting the other members in coordinating with the various agencies of the national government para makahingi ng mga relief goods and other assistance na pwede mabigay sa mga constituents nila. Wala ako nung information pa kung sino-sino mismo yung mga yon. I understand there are those that have communicated from Palawan and others from the National Capital Region.